Cheers.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, y'all?
So these are your boys from Halfway Kicks. My name is Bendo. Instagram is jbendo15, and he goes.
My name is AJ, and you can find me on my Instagram at ArnettJason. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the like button if you like this video. Turn on your bell notifications so you know every time we post another video.
So today's unboxing is gonna be Dunks versus Air Force Ones from Undefeated.
You gotta be Team Air Force Ones.
I'm Air Force Ones.
Yeah, you're Team Air Force Ones. I'm Team Dunks. You want to talk about the first release that they had?
So the first release was the olive green Air Force Ones and like the wheat colorway Dunks
with the highlighter green or like,
yeah,
I don't know what color it is, but it's got like a light. We'll put the pictures here. So you got the Air Force Ones and you got the Dunks. I think that Air Force Ones won the first round.
Yeah,
I think they won the first round.
To me, the Air Force is very undefeated colorway with olive green.
Yeah.
And I mean the Dunks was cool. It was just a different color for Undefeated to release.
Yeah, and Air Force Ones, they have been like not really putting out new colors, but when they dropped that Undefeated colorway, it was like, damn, they're back.
Yeah.
They back.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just give round one to the Air Force Ones. But round two, you know I'm going to say the Dunks. The Dunks won round two. Obviously, he's going to have a different opinion about that. So that's why we're making this video, so you guys can see, both shoes together, what we think about them. And yeah, I haven't actually seen the Air Force Ones in person. Bendo won them. You won them online, right?
Yeah, I won them online. I did all the which cat is bigger, and they actually canceled my order, but wifey was able to get through.
I lost every freaking raffle that you can possibly enter for these shoes. So first I lost on Undefeated, then I lost on sneakers. So I had to convince some little kid on OfferUp to sell me his shoes for as close to retail as possible.
Shout out to that kid.
Yeah, shout out to you, little man. I think his name was Van Huang, which is. Yeah,
Van Huang.
Van Huang. He was like,
tune in, Van Huang.
I think it was. I don't even think it was 18, so I feel kind of bad. But hey,
he made a couple dollars, right?
I got this. Yeah, he got about $40-$50. So he got something out of it. Anyways, so I think we're gonna show the Dunks first.
Yes.
Which I have here. And have you seen these in person yet?
No.
Okay. So I'm gonna open this up, and you can see. But right off the bat, they both have the same box. It's the Dunk versus Air Force One. Now these are the 5 on it release, and let's go ahead and just open up the box. You can see comes with the Dunk versus Air Force One Undefeated paper wrapping,
same
paper.
Same one as the first one.
Yep. All right. And I've already taken a look at these shoes because they're mine. So. All right, so here we go.
Let me see.
There you go. I'm gonna give this to you.
Okay.
I'll take out a pair for me to look at.
All right.
All right. So now these aren't SB Dunks, but I think these are the best quality Dunks that are not SBs.
Yeah, the quality on this one is
really nice.
I think I might have to cop me a pair.
This is actually the same like suede, leather, whatever material it is, as on the Off-White Dunks.
Yeah,
we did a review on.
Yeah, this swoosh part right there.
And then you've got the Undefeated logo there, and on the tongue. The best thing that I like about this shoe is that the tongue is all leather. It goes all the way from up here, all the way to the tongue.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I like that a lot, and. A lot of the shoes nowadays are going with that retro vibe of like the distressed look, and this happens to have that too, which is one of the reasons I really like this shoe.
Yeah, I think this mid part right here is trying to give off that aged sole.
Yeah. So a lot of people are doing them artificially to even older shoes just to get that look. But another thing that's really dope about these shoes is the snake skin. The snake skin.
This is supposed to be like a Dodger LA Lakers, right? Because the purple and the blue.
Another dope thing is the laces. It comes with 3 different kinds of laces. So you've got the blue. You got the cream.
This might be it right here.
Yeah, that one hits. I've seen a couple people. I've seen Ray rock these with the
yellow,
with the cream and
the
that
aged shoelace.
Yeah, that looks fire, honestly. And the white, which I'll probably never use. But yeah, I'm either gonna go with the blue laces or the cream. But yeah, man, these are the Dunks. These are the 500 Dunks.
I like these.
What's your take on them?
I like the snake skin. You know, Black Mamba vibes.
Black Mamba, Blue Mamba.
Blue Mamba. You can never go wrong. And I like how they use a different color on the swoosh. You know, because you get the blue, purple, and then the age, and then they give you a little razzle dazzle on the on the swoosh by throwing that gray suede. But yeah, I like these, man.
Purple sole on these. I'm telling you, man. I think these are hitting a little bit harder than them Air Force Ones.
All right.
So I'm gonna put these away. You know, we don't want to get them messed up because they're so much nicer than the Air Force Ones.
All right, same paper wrapping. All right. So, you take a look at that.
Okay. So this is my first time seeing these in person.
So we were talking about the razzle dazzle on the Dunks, but this has all the gray suede on here, and then you got the aged. What color would you call these?
I don't know. Cream, I guess.
Cream on the sole.
Butterscotch. Nah,
butterscotch. So you got the same the Black Mamba snakeskin blue swoosh, but it also has a red.
Oh yeah.
On there.
That does hit.
You know, they give you the blue shoelaces. Only extra pair though. And then on the back, you get the Undefeated right here. Orange.
Is that orange?
Tab right there. And then the tongue is leather all the way through. And then you get the Air Force Ones eyelet. No, I don't know what you would call these, but it's right there.
Yeah, what are those? I don't know, but those are dope.
A lot of Air Force Ones has them.
You know what I like about these? I like this material back here. Is this suede?
Gray nubuck suede?
Yeah, I don't know what material this is, but this is like extra soft. So, and the red snakeskin is giving me like real sexy vibes, to be honest. It's giving me sexy vibes. So this is the first time I'm seeing it, and actually these are really nice in person. So let's you know what? Let's do a little. I'll hold mine and you hold yours.
Right. So
what y'all comment below. You tell us. Are you Team Air Force One or you Team dope ass blue Dunks? I don't know, man. Honestly, I wish I could have both of them. I would wear those Air Force Ones. Because I'm so into the Dunks, I've kind of stepped away from the Air Force Ones. I'm not too much a fan of them anymore. But the colorways that they've been putting out lately have been really nice. Like this one I would wear for sure.
The only thing the Air Force Ones is missing is the purple, right? It has no hint of purple on there.
Yeah.
But either way, I'm still gonna go with Team Air Force Ones.
All right, comment below. Let us know what you think. Let's put a picture up on the screen so you guys can see the next release that's coming out. That's gonna be coming pretty soon. I saw those Air Force Ones. Those Air Force Ones.
That's gonna be the winner on that one's gonna be the Air Force Ones.
I
for
feel
sure.
like. I mean, the Dunks are nice, but I feel like they might have slacked on those.
Yeah, I mean, it's just all black. I'm not sure what the material is, but the clear sole might be the dopest thing on the shoe.
Yeah,
again, we haven't seen it, so.
Yeah, man, back in the day, I used to have the Space Jam Dunks, and those were my favorite Dunks, and I'm so mad that I got rid of them. But these kind of give you that same kind of vibe. It's just not patent leather.
Yeah.
I don't know. These Dunks, I don't think they're that nice. I think the Air Force Ones are gonna hit a lot harder than those.
I think the Air Force Ones is like crocodile skin. So Undefeated.
Undefeated. You know. Send us a pair.
Stop canceling my order though. Yeah, please.
You know, just send us a pair so we can review it for the channel. You know, we'll give it right back. I promise.
We'll give it back.
We are gonna put a little B-roll detailed shot together for you of both of these shoes.
All right, y'all. To the next video. For right now.
Peace. Hey, we didn't sign on the other video either.
That is true, huh?
Sheesh. We need to put like a sign like intro, talk about shoes, outro.
I'll have to make a little thing up there.
Yeah.